How to crop video in Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your gallery. At the bottom, make sure the option is set to Reel, then select the video you want to upload. Once you select your video, tap Next. On this page, you can trim the video by adjusting the edges of the timeline. You can also add music or change the speed of the video. After making adjustments, tap Next again. Now, tap on Edit Video. From here, select the Edit option, then swipe through the tools and tap on Crop. Use 2 fingers to zoom in or zoom out to adjust the frame of your video. You can reposition it as needed to fit your preferred framing. Once you are happy with the crop, tap Done. You can preview the video and make additional edits using Instagram's features, such as adding text, stickers, or filters. When you are finished, tap on the arrow at the top right to proceed to the posting page. Here, you can add a caption, select a cover image, and adjust sharing settings before posting the reel to your Instagram profile. That's how to crop video in Instagram.